I never thought a road trip could be this full of fun, adventure, and knowledge. Hello everyone, this is Ford. I recently joined Ride and Share with 2 and this time we're heading on an adventure to Wilwang Nom Pon Pram. This journey was brought together by an amazing man, outsider travel. We left Phnom Penh at 5:30, riding along the Snow Road 5, the early morning air, the open road, and the freedom of the ride made every moment feel alive.
So, lại nơi Lim Lóng, Cỏ Cô, dạ, lại giờ chụp sầm bạc, chạy sang chạy trăm kia giờ ngọt, từ đó ti tăng ti phi thế, đấy ở đâu ấy, chị tao kế chơi mơ mà,
thấy được rồi, chị thấy được rồi,
chị thấy, dạ, trả lại giờ nơi này lên tới nói mà tới to tiếp, nhưng mà đó mấy điều mọt đòi, liền tạm lời về, ok chụp này tạm lời tiếp chẳng, các bạn.
Our first stop was a cozy place, Monco Cafe. With coffee in hand, we took a moment to rest, recharge, and reconnect before the next stage of the journey. So, this was a little warm-up shot for the day. Next, we continued to Tum Nop Tumpo for lunch. The road there were absolutely stunning. Mountains, greenery, and wide open views everywhere you look.
Và đây đo lại xa đây nè, nó to mỏng. Em nhóm mày đóng thắp ngày 4 nhóm mó cho tam đăng đài tất em cho bình đâu mà quỳnh hoạt động Yes sir. Nghe đến lắm á. Ok lại cư dân nơi nông tập phó hay nhằm bài này nè hay ở quạt cho chi carbon tại nhà bàn cho sure hay nhằm bài mình có miền man thò đây đấy lữ đa mơ xin trong thò được là cái sơn chứ nâng do camera film máu chứ chăm chụp này tạm play tiện. Ok goodbye.
I really love the greenery here. The views were just amazing. For this shot, I wanted to capture a reflection, but it didn't turn out quite like I imagined. And for this one, I tried a few different angles, but I end up really like blurry one. It just gives the photo more life and feel more alive. This shot was taken on my film camera, the Olympus OM1 with Kodak Gold 200, but they didn't turn out perfect. It's been a while since I last shoot film and I skipped using a light mirror this time.
Góc nè lạiនេះស្អាតហ៎និយាយទៅស្ភាពភ្នំព្រៃមួយខ្ញុំចេះគឺអត់ចេះចិនណាយហ្មងOh my god, look at that, look at that, look at that. Ở lại này cứ mong pi ấy hay nhưng mà đằng hạ cái từ đó cái trên đơn hà tiền tế nhưng mà toàn cho ba tế vậy tới nhưng mặt mơ rào bớt bỏ ra cho cái đột này tới nhưng mặt bàn mơ nhưng chỉ tăng quá tức tại tiền phiệp em rắn GoPro full em để bắt đây nè đối trong chầm mơ tại nó thở lục footage cho offline hay mấy nơi tay và to từ chia tôi bây chỉ mộng phi cái đói lỗ đọt liếng hay mơ và bọc tới cứ friendly đấy và bọc so đấy rồi sao đi rồi nè vậy tới ơi ta còn lại này dương mơ vì lơ cho tới cứ xa từng ngọt. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Em Muốn liếng thôi. Nhưng mà chăm đấy chỉ ông chúng ô là mó vì chất là chân nam này. Wow. Chuyện đó là oh my god. Này món tổ.
And now I am here at our stay, Pteh Monko. It was such a cozy place to stay here at Mount Pram. The mountain views, the relaxing vibe, and the friendly owner made it feel just like home. I definitely choose to stay here again next time. And here's some photos I got. This is something I learned from the art of noticing, and I think it's really resonate with me. Lately, I've been really enjoying shooting in black and white. There's something about it that makes the photos feel more timeless and alive. I think this one turned out pretty nice, even though it's a little bit underexposed. After a cozy break, we continue our ride up to the top of Mount Pram to a spot called A4. The ride got even more exciting and the views along the way were so refreshing. But it was raining hard out there, so I didn't got many shots myself. After all the excitement on the road, it's time for a special part of the trip, the sharing session. I just want to take a moment to thank to Bong Outsider Travel and Bong Chandi for all the lessons, advice, and the inspiration. And to everyone who joined this ride, your kindness and good energy made this trip feel so special. Even though we just met, it felt like riding with old friends. I'm really happy to share this passion with all of you. Thank you so much. The next day came, and the team split into different activities. Some went for a morning run up to Mount Pram, but I decided to just slow down the day, enjoy the quiet, breathe the fresh air, sip my first coffee of the day, and get ready for the ride back home. As the ride came to an end, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the road, the people, and every moment that made this journey feel so special. And last but not least, here are a few photos I captured at a pagoda on the way back to Phnom Penh. This is Ford. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Doesn't seem to care. You felt so astounded. Cold.